High Court Judge David Majanja's orders now bar the JSC from continuing its probe on the Chief Registrar following her suspension early this week. Shollei moved to court today under a certificate of urgency seeking to stop investigations on alleged impropriety that saw the JSC send her on compulsory leave. This comes against the backdrop of a paid-up newspaper advert calling on members of the public with any information on Shollei to submit to the Judicial Service Commission. The controversy surrounding Shollei's suspension seems headed for a showdown after the East African Lawyers Body urged JSC to snub parliamentary summons. The Justice Committee in a paid-up advert summoned the 9 commissioners to explain circumstances behind Shollei's suspension next Thursday amidst adverse allegations by Shollei implicating 3 of them as being behind her intended ouster. The chairman of the Justice Committee, Samuel Chepkonga, yesterday warned JSC against ignoring the summons, indicating that he had received damning information on some of the commissioners and it was to their benefit to appear before it. He clarified that the summons will not in any way infringe on the independence of the judiciary. He clarified that the summons will not in any way infringe on the independence of the judiciary, but by virtue of its mandate to protect public interest. The East African Law Society has cautioned the Judicial Service Commission against appearing before the Parliamentary Committee, saying it was unconstitutional for Parliamentary Committee to summon a constitutional commission. Society President James Mwamu said, and I quote, "The move by the committee amounts to summoning the Chief Justice, who doubles as head of the judiciary and President of the Supreme Court." End of quote. Meanwhile, National Women's Steering Committee has condemned the move by the Judicial Service Commission to suspend Shollei without giving her a chance to defend herself.
The rules of natural justice demand that one be given an opportunity to respond to any accusations or allegations made against them, an opportunity that seems to have been denied Ms. Shollei.
Yesterday, Shollei accused Commissioners Akben Nasir Abdullahi of LSK, Justice Mohammed Warsame of the Court of Appeal, and Chief Magistrate Emily Ominde of frustrating her after she refused to be unduly influenced into approving deals that favored them.